Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a Miyoo Mini Game Console handheld console. And these are really famous. They've been getting really famous for past few years. And I get questions how you can remove or replace the battery, but I don't know why people keep asking, but it is very simple. All you need to do is to remove the back cover by pushing this clip backward and bring it up, just remove and do a little tap, and the battery should pop out. All you want to do, you want to pull this jack backward just like that, and the battery will come out. And these batteries are really simple batteries. They're double stacked battery. You can actually, you have a little solder station, you can do it for yourself, and do not buy an expensive one. These batteries, pretty much, these are 3.7 volt, 2000 milliamp hour battery. You can get this one off Amazon. They're very cheap. And if you look at the size of them, this is like a half size, and this is a 3.7 1000 milliamp. So you stack two of them together, you get the same thing as the same result as this one, the same thickness. And they can fit there perfectly inside here. You can put a little notch and right there. And pretty much you have to bring the cables together, solder it down, or cut this cable, and there's a color to it, so you can put red with red, black with black, and plug it back in using the same jack. The jack goes in only one way in, and you can just snap it in there and you're set to go. Just remember, once you put the new battery in, you don't want to power it on right away. You want to leave it there and plug in the USB-C charger and leave it there for at least 1 hour charging. After that, remove the battery, drain the battery by playing video games. Once the battery is drained, power it off, and again try to recharge them while it's off for another 1 hour. That initial charge and discharge, it is very important for the new battery. A modified battery that you built or the original one that you purchased, any of them. Again, I hope you guys like this video and helped you guys out. If you have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment or try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.